Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Thousands of Jamaicans lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which highlighted deficiencies in the economic support framework for persons who become unemployed. This has reignited discussions for an unemployment insurance scheme. Javon Keys explores the issue.
The latest labor market survey found that as at April 2021, 119,000 Jamaicans were unemployed. But of the employed labor force as at July 2021, 40% of persons experienced some kind of disruption since the start of the pandemic. Jason Brown was one of them. He lost his job in October 2020.
I'm just there thinking, okay, no job, bills, life. What's going to happen?
For 7 months, he was unemployed.
It's not my first time working. I would have built a life for myself. I would have acquired things, bills to pay, responsibilities, all that to meet. And they were not going to be placed on hold because I was unemployed. So it was very hard, especially when it got down to the end of the month when bills are due. It got so hard, not eating, not talking. You're just wandering around aimlessly. You're scrapping to see what you can do to get, to meet ends meet.
Thankfully, he had some savings.
Was there a point where you were afraid the money would run out and you wouldn't find a job?
Let's clarify. The money did run out. It did. My account got to that 0.00. Yeah, it got there. It ran out. And I was still unemployed. I got to the point where in February of 2021, I just stopped sending out resumes. I was just ready to, I didn't know what else to do.
His survival depended on his ingenuity as he started 2 businesses to make ends meet. At the onset of the pandemic, the government activated the COVID-19 Allocation of Resources Care Program. The $25 billion fiscal stimulus program was the largest of its kind, yet thousands of Jamaicans did not benefit, and many of those who did said the stimulus was a drop in the bucket. A longer-term solution, unemployment insurance. So, what is it, and how could it work? We'll explore in the Financial Week. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
All right, thanks to Javon. Now, the JC Index lost 587 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 9 points. Among today's winners were SSL Venture Capital, Radio Jamaica, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Margaritaville Turks, and the CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares. Now on the losing side were JMMB Group 7.5% shares, 138 Student Living Variable shares, Epley Ordinary shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $154.58. The Canadian dollar is trading at $121.45. It's costing $210.81 for the pound and $181.73 for the euro. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Have a good evening.